I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating the essentials. Update the GPU driver and framework runtime so the device is fully available. Next, set power and OS preferences to high performance and enable the GPU in BIOS if disabled. Then identify the workload you'll optimize, training, rendering, or compute, and pick an initial parameter to change, like batch size or thread count. Once done, measure baseline utilization with a tool so you know if the changes raise GPU load. With a baseline, push parameters that naturally raise utilization, increase batch size or resolution, but watch memory so you avoid out-of-memory errors. Enable mixed precision and asynchronous data pipelines because they reduce idle time. Make sure input feeds and augmentation run on separate threads. Profile your workload. Identify kernel bottlenecks and increase concurrency by tuning thread and block sizes or splitting tasks across queues. Also consider pipelining stages so the GPU. Finally, run sustained stress tests and monitor temperature, clocks, and errors to confirm stability. Make incremental changes and validate after each. If you use overclocking or firmware tweaks, test and be ready to revert. If utilization remains low, reprofile to find CPU, I/O, or PCIe bottlenecks, reduce CPU contention, increase queue depth, or improve cooling to prevent thermal throttling. One key troubleshooting tip: when numbers drop, check for power or thermal throttling first. They are the most common silent limiter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.